Hello everyone, summer seems to have already started and today I've decided to show you guys a wonderful and cool drink which is also considered to be a dessert by itself. So yes, today I'm going to show you how to make Royal Falooda. Why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Home Cooking channel and also click on the bell icon to get your notifications. To make the Royal Falooda, there are several steps for the prep work and the first is to make the jelly. So for this recipe, I am using a store-bought ready-made jelly crystal packet. As per the instructions given in the jelly crystal packet, just follow the instructions and make the jelly. So I have taken a strawberry jelly mix for this recipe. You can use any jelly of your choice. As per instructions given in the jelly mix, follow the directions and prepare the jelly. So in case you want to make the jelly ahead of time, you can also make it the previous day and set it. So it will be easier for you to assemble it. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to set at room temperature. So this has to be done first. Now I'm going to make the rose milk for the Falooda. For the rose milk, I've taken half liter of milk and boiled it. Turn off the stove. Bring the milk to room temperature. To the milk, add about 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. Now this is a store-bought rose syrup. If you need more, depending on the quantity of milk, you can add more or less. I'm also adding 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Just mix it all together. So I've made the rose milk. Now refrigerate this till you prepare the Falooda. Now it's best you prepare the rose milk and nicely chill it, and so when you make the Falooda it will be nice and cool. Next I'm going to cook some save for the Falooda. To the pot add a little water. So the water has come to a boil. Just going to add the save. I've taken the long save, just broken it. Turn off the stove after a minute. So the save is cooked beautifully, it's perfect. Strain it and keep it aside. Next I'm going to soak some sabja seeds. To the bowl, add a few sabja seeds, pour enough water. Soak the sabja seeds for about 5 minutes. So you can see after 5 minutes they've plumped up beautifully. Keep it aside. Now I'm going to assemble the Royal Falooda. For this I've taken 2 tall glasses. I'm going to start with the strawberry jelly. Next I'm going to add the cooked save. Next add a little bit of the rose syrup. Next I'm going to add the sabja seeds. Next I'm going to add the chilled rose milk. Next I'm going to add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now for the ice cream you can use any flavor of your choice. Next I'm going to add some chopped nuts, some almonds and pistachios. I'm also going to add some fresh fruits, small pieces of apple and banana. Now you can use any fruits of your choice. Adding fruits is also optional. Now I'm going to layer it with another scoop of jelly. Next I'm going to add another teaspoon of sabja seeds. I'm adding 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Just adding a little syrup. Finally add some chopped nuts. I'm also going to add some tutti frutti. So here is this absolutely delicious royal Falooda. It's a perfect dessert to beat the summer. So do try this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.